Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Math Sahab. I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from inverse trigonometric functions, exercise 2.2 NCERT 12th Maths. This is Gaugrass Seva. I have started online or offline classes of NCERT 12 Maths. Now come out to question number 4 equal to prove that 2 tan inverse in bracket 1 over 2 bracket close plus tan inverse in bracket 1 over 7 bracket close equal to tan inverse in bracket 31 over 17 bracket close. Now come out to solution here. Here you can see 2 tan inverse in bracket 1 over 2 bracket close plus tan inverse in bracket 1 over 7 bracket close is there in left hand side. Here I shall write LHS. LHS is equal to 2 tan inverse in bracket 1 over 2 bracket close plus tan inverse in bracket 1 over 7 bracket close. These are LHS which consist of two terms. First term is 2 tan inverse in bracket 1 over 2 and second term is tan inverse 1 over 7. So here you can see LHS is equal to 2 tan inverse in bracket 1 over 2 can be written as tan inverse 1 over 2 plus tan inverse 1 over 2, because here you can see tan inverse in bracket 1 over 2 cut twice. I can expand first term as tan inverse 1 over 2 plus tan inverse 1 over 2. Now I shall write this one tan inverse 1 over 7 can be written. So here you can see tan inverse 1 over 2 plus tan inverse 1 over 2. If you add tan inverse 1 over 2 and tan inverse 1 over 2, both will be added, comes out to 2 tan inverse 1 over 2. Twice of tan inverse 1 over 2 is the first term here. So here you can see, now here you have got tan inverse 1 over 2 plus tan inverse 1 over 2. So here you can see 1 over 2, 1 over 2. Now here I shall apply concept formula. Formula you know better. Formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse in bracket x plus y whole over 1 minus xy bracket close. So here you can see tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse in bracket x plus y whole over x minus y bracket close. This is the case. So here you can see x, here you can see y. In both terms, in first term here x is there, in second term y is there. So both term, first term and second term have different meanings. So if you write here x, y, if you write here x is equal to y, it will very well become tan inverse x plus tan inverse x. because here x is there. In place of x, I have written here x. But here you can see y is there. So in place of y, I can write x because x is equal to y is there. So here it will become tan inverse in bracket here x plus y. So here you will get x, from this place you will get x. The x plus x, it will become whole over 1 minus here in first term x is there, so here you can write x. In second term also x is there, so here write x, bracket close. So this will become tan inverse x plus tan inverse x, it will become 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x. Here you can see x plus x. X will be added to x, it will become 2x. Whole over 1 minus, here x will multiply to x, comes out to x square. So here you have got 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse in bracket 2x whole over 1 minus x square bracket close. So this is the concept you must know. On basis of this concept, in place of x, 1 over 2 is written. So here I can write LHS equal to, here you can see in place of x, 1 over 2 is there. Here in place of x, 1 over 2 is there. So these two terms will be operated first. So you will get here, this one you will get here, tan inverse in bracket, in place of x, I can write 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 whole over 1 minus x. X is equal to 1 over 2. I can write here 1 over 2 dot 1 over 2. Like this you can write. Plus tan inverse 1 over 7 can be written. Now simplify further, you will get LHS equal to tan inverse in bracket 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 comes out to 2 over 2. Here you will get 1 minus 1 over 2 will multiply to 1 over 2, you will get here 1 over 4. Because 2 will multiply to 2, you will get here 4, 1. It will become plus tan inverse 1 over 7 can be written like this. Now come out to next here, I shall write LHS equal to tan inverse in bracket 2 over 2 can be written as 1. 1 over, here you will get 1 minus 1 over 4 comes out to, here 4 minus 1 comes out to 3. So 3 over 4, it will become, you will write like this in bracket, plus tan inverse 1 over 7 will be written. Now you will get here LHS equal to tan inverse, here you will get 1 over 3 by 4, it comes out to 4 by 3, and again you will get tan inverse 1 over 7. The LHS is equal to tan inverse 4 over 3 plus tan inverse 1 over 7. It will become. Now what will do next? Next again you will apply here, you have got here x, here you have got here y. It will become, here I can write tan inverse in bracket on the pattern of this formula, you can write this one. So here it will become tan inverse 4 over 3 plus tan inverse 1 over 7 equal to tan inverse. Here the value of x is 4 over 3, value of y is 1 over 7. So it will become 4 over 3 plus 1 over 7 whole over 1 minus 4 over 3 another bracket 1 over 7. This is the case. Now on simplification you will get here tan inverse in bracket. Here you can see in denominator 3 is there, in denominator here 7 is there. LCM of 3 and 7 will be 21. So here you can write 21. Here you will get 7 will multiply to 4. You will get here 7 4 is 28 plus here 3 will multiply to 7 comes out to 21 and also 3 will multiply to 1 comes out to 3 whole over 1 minus here 4 will multiply to 1 we will get here 4 over here 7 will multiply to 3 comes out to 21. So here you can write like this. Again, what to do next? So here you can write tan inverse in bracket you can write very well 28 plus 3 will be operated comes out to 31 over 21 whole over here you will get 1 minus 4 over 21. So here you can write 1 over 1 like this you can write. Here 21 minus 4. 21 minus 4 come out to 17. So 17 over 21 comes out to like this. Now what we'll do next? Again I shall write LHS is equal to you have got here tan inverse 31 here you can see 31 over 21 whole over 17 over 21. This will be operated you will get here in bracket 31 over 21 into 21 over 17. Again you can write here this 21 will cast out you will get tan inverse in bracket in numerator you will get 31 and in denominator you will get here 17. Now you have got LHS is equal to tan inverse 31 over 17 comes out to RHS. Here you can see RHS tan inverse 31 over 17. So here I have got tan inverse 31 over 17. So LHS is equal to RHS. You can write very well QED. QED. Quote, irrate, demonstration are proved. This is the complete solution of question number 4, exercise 2.2, NCERT 12 Math, subject is inverse trigonometric functions, Gaugrass Seva. This is courtesy from Gaugrass Math Hub. I have already started online or offline classes.